Well, hello there. I'm coming to you live with the infamous two braids, okay? Looking real busted and crackety. But don't worry, let me give you the backstory, okay? Show them the truth, all right? Yeah, you see that? You see that right there? Yeah, the bane of my existence right now, okay? So, like any normal human earth baby, I've been going through trials and tribulations, okay? So I done left these braids in for about a month and a half now. And honestly, I totally forgot. I totally forgot about them. Yeah, so it's a little weird. Okay, a little weird, but just a tip, if you're ever going through trials and tribulations, make sure you do your hair, because whatever you snap off in the midst of your struggles, you ain't getting back, girl. You ain't getting it back. You ain't getting it back. But anyways, I'm actually going to spray my hair with Uncle Funky's daughter's Defunk hair refreshener, because as you can see, my hair is not fresh to death. It is actually quite cracky and like dusty and like I look like a little dust bunny, like a piece of lint on the floor amongst dirt and dust. Okay, so I really like this because the concept of it is supposed to refresh your hair. And whenever I do, not to say I've been doing this often because I haven't, but you are supposed to moisturize your hair at least every other day, maybe every 3 days, but not once a week and, once a month. You're not supposed to do that. So if you're somebody who struggles with that, you are probably struggling with dry hair. So the hair refreshing spray by Uncle Funky's daughter, I find to be perfect. When they sent me these products just to like try them out, I was like, it's lit. A refreshing spray, okay? You can use water too if you want to, but if you want to be fancy, they definitely have that in their line, okay? Look, I even have a piece of lint in my hair. Like, are you serious right now? Dude, I was really walking around in public like this? Because, you really can't see the back of your hair, so it's a little embarrassing right now. Oh, gosh, I really been walking around like this. But anyways, I want you guys to see my hair after I took all of the braids out. Like, dang, your girl can't even really get the braids out with how just caked, crackety, dusty my hair is right now. Like, really get into these naps, these flaws, these tangles. Do y'all see that? The dandruff, the product buildup, the nappiness at like the very, very crown of my hair. I'm telling you, I really want you to even look at that one strand I'm pulling. Yeah, you can rewind that if you want. Sorry, Bear was talking crap. I'm stressed out right now because that hair, this wash day was so struggle filled. It's ridiculous. Like, even this Uncle Funky's daughter's refreshing spray, like, my hair can't even soak it all up right now because all of that product buildup and dandruff is actually caked onto the strands of my hair. Like, I'm really going to show you when I flip over to the other side. Like, look at that. You see that white patch? Yeah, product buildup and dandruff literally cemented to my strands, okay? So I'm actually going to be washing my hair with Function of Beauty's shampoo and conditioner. Now, if you want these conditioners, you can't have the specific one that I have because these are customizable shampoos and conditioners. So you'll go to functionofbeauty.com and I will leave the link to them down below, and it is a referral link. So you will get $5 off if you use my link, and I will get $5 in my pocket, okay? So I'll leave that down there for you to check out. But basically, Function of Beauty is going to ask you a series of questions, like, what your favorite color is, basically what color of shampoo or conditioner would you like. Obviously, mine is blue, just like my background. It will ask you if you have curly, kinky, or wavy hair. It will ask you, what's your favorite scent? Do you want a shampoo that tames frizz? Do you want a conditioner that adds shine and luster? It's going to ask you a lot of questions. And to be honest, I answered my questions to the best of my ability, and they sent me a fire product, okay? A fire one. Because this shampoo that I'm using right now, as you can see, I'm not even really getting it everywhere. And I know you guys are going to talk so much crud in the comments about how I'm not getting it everywhere. But you try sitting in your room under LED lights with, you know, a sopping wet head trying to wash your hair on camera, okay? But I'm literally getting it the best, like, I'm getting it in there the best that I can. And it literally cleans everything squeaky clean, okay? Like everything. It really gets into my hair and cleanses out all that product buildup and grime. And it still leaves your girl's hair feeling moisturized, okay? And I didn't even really want that effect, but it's just, I guess the ingredients that I picked to go in that shampoo just naturally does that. So I can't even be mad because I picked it. Alrighty, so I rinsed out all of that shampoo and I'm popping up with this conditioner and I'm about to throw that into these hair strands, okay? Now I have a little bit left over shampoo, like kind of residue, still in my edges and in my hair and whatnot, but how I made my shampoo is so moisturizing that it doesn't even matter, to be truthful. But this conditioner really melts into my hair. Like, look at that. It melts in. It helps detangle your hair. At least mine does, because this is a customizable conditioner, but it helps detangle my hair. And with me being low porosity, trippy enough, it melts in so effortlessly. Like, look at that. I threw in a crap ton of conditioner and it just melts in. Like my hair is really drinking this all up. Now I really want you to pay attention to these clips. You see how you see that white stuff all up in my hair? Now really look. This is what I'm talking about, melting. It is literally melting into my hair. It's crazy. But I also want to show you how the light is just like dancing off of my moisturized hair. Like, look at this. Look at it. Bam, you see that light. It's so moisturized. It's ridiculous. I'm sorry. I'm literally so happy because it took me forever to decide to do my hair, just because I knew it was going to be such a struggle to really get my hair moisturized, and it's finally done. But anyways, I'm going to be taking Uncle Funky's daughter's curl stimulator. This stuff I get everywhere. Like, look, you see the little aloe vera gel like dangling at the bottom? Yes, where I keep this junk, it gets everywhere. But I'm actually just going to be doing a simple hairstyle. I'm going to basically squirt a little bit of this in my hand and I'm going to just run it through these twists. I'm not doing anything special. This is really an over glorified wash and go. This isn't a wash day routine, just because I really, in my mind, I would really like to refresh my hair like I am doing in this video and then do a wash day routine. Because if I would have did a wash day routine where I go in and I braid my hair back up and I, you know, install a style and really do my moisturizing routine, and then on top of that, my hair is already dry and crackety, so it's not trying to work with me, it would have been too much to do in one sitting. And then I would have also broken off a lot more of my hair because I'm trying to do my wash day routine. So I needed to do a little refresher, and then in a, you know, maybe a day or, you know, 2 days or 3 days or so, go back in and actually do a full-on wash day routine. Do you kind of understand what I'm saying? Like, comment down below. Like, have you ever tried to do a wash day routine when your hair really, really, really was just janked up and like messed up and not moisturized? It just becomes the biggest task in the entire world. So I'm telling you, you might wanna start doing hair refreshers before you even actually go into doing a full-on wash day. But after doing my entire head, this is what I am left with. Okay, you see that length? You see, just flipping, just flippy, gorgeous, hydrated hair. Okay, and y'all know I have low porosity hair, so the fact that my hair isn't white right now after installing all those products, it's really a feat. But this is what my hair looks like dried. I kind of realized I really don't show you guys what my hair looks like dried, so I thought this would be a cool clip to show you guys. And what I do to keep my hair separated and flippy and floppy is I just shake my head back and forth randomly. And you know, this is just a refresher, so I like to pin the top of my hair out of my face and going about my day. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video is actually kind of important for me, for you guys, because I wanted to show you, you know, my hair can get real crusty. It's not like all peaches and cream in these YouTube streets. So, you know, enjoy this video for what it is. Everybody goes through their trials and tribulations with their hair, okay? So don't forget to click that subscribe button. Leave me a comment because I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I want to hear about your day. I want to hear about how things are going, okay? And click that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.